running down the road, water running down the sidewalk. The thing for us to check in our house is the floor drain in the utility room. In the great rainfall of 2013, we saw water starting to come out of this floor drain, and we plugged it with a towel and a bucket of water placed on top of that. But what if we hadn't been home? Our neighbors had up to 12 inches of water in their basements that came up through the floor drains. Oh, I'm hearing gurgly sounds. There's flow coming in. The side pipe where it's flowing in from is at the top of the view of the camera. I'm going to reach in there. That's a heavy flow coming in that one pipe. And it's going out somewhere else. Must be. I can feel quite a flow coming in. Now, reaching farther down, there's another pipe where there's a heavy flow going out of there. And it's full of stuff. I don't know what kind of stuff. Right at the bottom. Concrete. Mud. That's mud. I wonder if the drainage tiles around the foundation are draining in at this point. I was not here in 1960. I have no idea how they built this house. Well, the water level in the floor drain pipe is now above that side arm where the flow was coming in. We still got at least a foot before this floor drain water would start to come out into the basement.